Hi everybody, Pierre here. Welcome to Experiment P16. As you can see, we're back in the lab. We all know what that means. Time to open a box. Okay, so before we get started, so recently while I've been editing some of the Florida vlogs, and I've noticed that some of the footage, although the lens that I've been using has some image stabilization, the stabilization isn't that good. So I thought, so I'm always looking for options around not necessarily paying top end, top dollar, but getting a decent quality product that'll do a job without spending fortunes on it. So with that in mind, I had a scratch around on Amazon, saw a deal for an item, did some research on YouTube, and come up with this guy. So here we have the FeiyuTech a1000 3-axis gimbal. So yeah, let's get into it. So first things first, it seems really well packaged. No issues with it whatsoever. Max payload 1.7 kilograms. I wanted something obviously that'll carry the EOS 200D. I like to use this camera for vlogging. It seems to do everything that I need it to do. Really good camera. Had that in a previous vlog. I'm sure I've mentioned it. If not, I'll try and do a review. But yeah, we've tried other things in the past. They haven't really worked. This thing has the capability of working with a GoPro, your mobile phone, and anything basically up to 1.7 kilograms that you can attach to a standard sort of tripod mount. So yeah, let's get trying to position this right so we can get the overhead shot. So yeah, let's get into it. First off, you can see it's pretty good. Nice little case. As I said, I've had a look at some reviews online before I even purchased it. Got a great deal at the time from Amazon. £285. It's at about $350 US. So straight out of the box, got a nice case, carrying handle. I guess that'll fit in my backpack with all the rest of my camera gear. And let's get it opened up. Quality's not so nice and secure, nice and safe inside. Let's open it up. So inside some freebies. We've got mobile phone case by the looks of it. I'm using that. Oh yeah. Got an arm strap. Kind of a rocket for your lens. It'll dust out the inside of your camera. Nice cleaning cloth, microfiber cleaning cloth. Guess this is so a little lens cleaning pen. Good stuff. Hello. Manufacturer's instructions in Chinese and English. Again, had a look online, so I've got a rough idea of how to set this thing up. But I'm going to say I'm going to be an expert, and a warranty card inside, which obviously I'll have to fill in the same. Okay, so that's those few things out of the way. Let's get to the important part. Nice, yeah, really good. Well packaged. Stabilizer looks as though it's definitely, it's not going anywhere. There's no issues there in terms of protection. Perfect. Inside we have the main grip, a USB charging cable. Now there's actually a mini mini tripod inside, which is used for setup. I'm guessing we'll attach to the camera, and it could be used as a little vlogging handle. Pretty good. Okay, so we'll screw that to this. There's two batteries, two spare batteries. There are actually batteries already in, because I obviously had to charge this stuff so I can actually switch it on. But yeah, handle screws apart, two batteries in there. Back together. So on one side. Charger, which takes two batteries at a time. So again, two on charge, two in the handset. You can charge it directly in the handset as well. Nice little rubber cover there for the connectors, which we obviously don't need at the minute. Let's have a look inside this little box here. Right, yeah, so this is another little solid bonus. It's got a full set of connectors so that you can actually control the shutter on your camera, and I think it covers Sony, Nikon and Canon. I believe those are the three adapters in there that hook your camera up to the gimbal itself, so you can control it with the trigger on there. And then other than that, we have the 3-axis gimbal itself, which again looks to be well strapped together. Yep, so that's straight out of the box. Let's see. It's got a nice little Velcro strap there to hold it all together, keep it stable while it's in pack in transit. And that again comes with a rubber cover. And we've got 4 little studs on the top of it. Studs on the top of it. I should have put my glasses on, I can't see, blind. I'm not going to edit that out. Okay, so that is about it. Now, leave this stuff to one side, get rid of this. And that's basically the gimbal. Now, again, it's got a joystick for manual controls. There's a pretty good app. I actually had a look at that app. So you install the app on your phone, you can actually control it, you can pre-program it to do time-lapse, slow moving photography, videography. But yeah, it seems really well built, but for, like I say, half to maybe a third of the price of the more expensive models that are out there. Looks really good. Certainly can't complain. First impressions look fantastic. I haven't actually had a camera on this yet, so I don't know. Switch it on, let's have a look. Okay, maybe not, maybe it's not. No, it's not. I'm just pressing the wrong button. Because it's not. It's not balanced out. Obviously I need to put the DSLR on it. I've just had a look to see if I had another camera I could have put on it just to try it out and balance it. Okay, so I've quickly switched over to the GoPro because I was struggling to find a camera that I could use to balance this. So I'm going to stick the DSLR on and we'll see how it goes. First, I'll take the microphone off because if I'm using a gimbal. hand mode, so it actually just moves. Keeps it on the horizon, so it keeps it steady. Oh, this is, yeah, it's good. There are other things. There's a trigger on the front which keeps it in, so you can lock it on. So I can lock it and it won't move from that point. It fixes at that level. I can hand it up, hand it down with the joystick, then lock it in place, and then it will always keep that focal point. As soon as you release it, it goes back to. I do like this. It's yeah, pretty good. If you double tap the trigger, it goes around into selfie mode. That locks it. Okay. So if you I really need to read some instructions. I don't know how to use it, but in terms of stabilisation, I'll get some shots and some footage. I'll get some practice with this now that I've unboxed it. It's been sat downstairs for about 4 weeks, and it's really been annoying this because I haven't been able to use it. Because I obviously wanted to film this, and this is the first opportunity that I've had. So yeah, looking good from the outset. Really pleased with it. As I say this, let's see. I'll just put the app. Just have a quick go. See what I can do. So yeah, the camera's there. Look, I can actually control it from the phone. You can set all sorts of different things on the app to control the gimbal itself remotely. You can pre-program it to follow a path. So you can set a start and end point and a duration, and the gimbal just does everything for you. So yeah, really looking forward to having it going, seeing what else we can get into. That's it, just a really quick video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, we'll see you in the lab.